Hi, I'm Kurtz, and this is Easy Access Math. And today we're going to talk about scientific notation, and also specifically that sometimes you adjust at the end, sometimes you don't. If you've been watching our videos, you may notice that we do make an adjustment at the end when the base number does not fit scientific notation qualifications. Let me show you. Scientific notation format states that the base number, the whole number part to the left of the decimal, must be a digit between 1 and 9. It can't be over 9 because that would make it 2 digits. And it can't be a 0. It has to be a single digit between 1 and 9. If you don't get a digit between 1 and 9, single digit, in other words, you may get 2 digits as your base number, or you get a 0, you have to make that adjustment. But if your number, your whole number part, comes between 1 and 9, you don't have to adjust the exponent up or down at the end. You just leave it as is. So I'm going to show you when you adjust and when you don't. Sometimes you need to adjust, like here where you have 6 and 3, and already I see I'm going to get 18. Remember your rule, you add your exponents. I have 18 times 10 to the 12th power, 7 and 5. But 18 does not meet the standard for scientific notation. You need a single digit, so I have to put a decimal point. I move the point one place to the left. I have 1.8 now. Because I made that number smaller and I have 1.8, I have to make my exponent 1 bigger to compensate. It's like a seesaw balance. So if this goes down, 18 down to 1.8, let me make that clearer. Then your exponent has to go up 1 in this case. Likewise here, I have 6 divided by 8, which gives me 0.75 times 10, and I subtract my exponents. 14 take away 9 is 5. However, I have a 0 in that first place, and that is not in the standard for scientific notation. So I have to fix that. I have to move it one place, and that gives me 7.5. One place to the right times 10. And because I made that bigger, I turned 0.75 into 7.5 by moving it one decimal to the right. I go down 1. I adjust it down 1. And I end up with 7.5 times 10 to the 4th. However, as you will see with these problems here, sometimes you don't adjust. And I will illustrate that. Here I have 3.2 times 2. My base number is multiplied. Remember, you multiply your base numbers and you add the exponents. 3.2 times 2 gives me 6.4 times 10, and I add my exponents. 9 plus 6 is 15. Here I don't make the adjustment. Be very careful, because we talked many times about making that adjustment to keep your final answer in the format of scientific notation. But here you don't make that adjustment up or down because it's already in the format. My base number is a single digit. It's a 6 point, and anything after the point is okay, 6.4. But I have a single whole number part, single digit, that's already good. That's my answer. No adjustment needed. 6.4 times 10 to the 15th. The same thing happens here. I have 8.4 divided by 2.1. So we're working with decimals, but when I work it out, my answer becomes 4. 8.4 divided by 2.1 is just a plain 4. If you want, you can put it as 4.0 times 10. And 7 take away 4. When I divide, I subtract exponents, is 3. So I end up with 4.0 times 10 to the third. Again, no adjustment needed. Because I have a single digit, it fits scientific notation without an adjustment. It's not a 0, and it's not more than one digit. It works. It fits. You don't need to adjust. It's already good. 4.0 times 10 to the third. You don't go down one. You just leave it because you don't have to move any decimal places. It's already in the scientific notation format, which is one whole number place. So be careful. Know when you need to adjust and when you don't. And thank you for watching Easy Access Math.